Hello guys, today I'm going to do an unboxing of the Nightmare Before Christmas Hot Topic mystery box. It's a mystery box Hot Topic is doing right now for the holiday season. Let's take a look and see what's inside. Okay. It's a really nice box. On the downside, pulls out. Back side is what it says, Funko of course, and then all the other things. This is the box that comes. Okay. So the box pulls out, and it pulls out the exclusives that are inside. So we have do the doors first. Jack Skellington. He glows in the dark. So it's a glow in the dark exclusive Dorbs. Next thing in the box is the Hot Topic exclusive, also glows in the dark exclusive Sally. It's a pocket pop or pocket keychain pop. Hot Topic exclusive Oogie Boogie with bugs. Really cool pop. Okay, this is part of a new set that will have Sally seated, which was the New York Comic Con exclusive, I believe. Yeah. The Snowman Jack, which I haven't seen that one out yet, so that one's still coming. Behemoth, which was a New York Comic Con exclusive as well, and Harley Quinn Demon, which actually I kind of want that one. That's Oogie Boogie with bugs. As you can tell, he's got bugs coming out of him, if you can really see it on the inside. So that is what you get with the Hot Topic exclusive mystery box, Nightmare Before Christmas. Thanks guys, and have a nice day.